up, Dad?
What's up, man?
The host of the evening.
The host right here.
Host.
The host, that's a lot of people here.
Good turnout.
It is, huh? I got new ones. I got 16 by 9. Sitting in the office, I'm going hella big. Alright. About time.
Damn, fool, you walk hella fast. Michael.
Bad motherfucker.
On to the next.
Come check it out.
I got this one.
Is it?
Fucking sick. Did you do all that yourself? Why does everybody call it right hand drive? It's pretty sick though, I like that.
E-swap.
Fuck yeah.
It's our truck.
This is my truck. I just
Motor
brought my
thing.
whole front end for my
That's
EF.
what's crazy is I just drove this thing to Stockton and back literally 2 hours ago. I got back.
Let's do a motor swap right here in the
parking
parking lot.
Porsche, fool.
See your brother. Huh?
Fuck you, Porsche.
Got like 3 weeks ago. I drove it back from Texas.
Damn.
Yeah, no, we had a lot of fun.
Low mileage, 41, and then
this to, yeah, to keep it stable, and then just go for it, man. It don't matter how fast you go, I can fix it later, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be recording anymore.
Sorry, they blocking all your guys' car. And that's what happens.
Yeah, come back and get the Civic too, man.
Yeah.
He said, damn.
No, I get it.
Wow. It's a bright light there, buddy.
Oh, dude, I'm on TV.
Right?
Damn, we're gonna have to do this line.
It's gonna go for days.
Yep. Fuck it.
You're getting a lot of the floor.
No, I'm not.
I watched that video last night.
All right. Old school ninja.
Look, you're grabbing all this right here.
Little drift cart.
Ooh, am I on camera?
Well, yep. Hired a new cameraman. He works for free.
Oh, I like the camera.
It doesn't matter like what speed you want.
No, because when I do the editing, I can just
Slow it down.
yeah.
Damn, they're way back over there too. Damn. So what should we do?
I don't know. I think we're gonna actually have to stop this and start over. We're gonna have to get a fucking car. We're already all way over here, but it would actually.
It'll be better.
Yeah, that's it.
Might as well. Type R.
Nice.
Damn. Over here too. Ambitious. DA.
There's one piece like you. Honey, look at all the floor you're getting.
Dude, this 4-door is clean. Oh, it's a cord.
Damn, fool, you walk hella fast.
Cheers!
Oh, excuse me.
it's that fast truck. Wow, it's right
Walk
here.
right in front of me.
She wants to be in the camera.
Turn that off.
Nope, can't do. Ciao. Huh? Cop car.
Brownvic.ca. I was on my, 500.
That's cute. What is your, what do you, where you shipped that?
Oh, damn, I'm trying to find it. I saw you once, I'm like, oh, he's right there, so I start recording, and then I look around and you're gone again.
Oh, bullshit.
I did, I swear.
Quick.
Oh, you motherfucker.
My car's all by itself.
Put in one.
That's the way. You want to start?
Here go that one.
That's just hella raw.
This shit is clean, huh? This car used to be in Orville.
I got this side. This one. Oh, yeah. I got this already.